users on social networks using centrality analysis?
So basically, we just want to find the most influential user on Flickr, and then basically we're going to get the data, make a graph, display like the nodes and the node, like the nodes and the interactions, which are like, and then do that. We're just gonna find the most influential user. And so basically, through this project, we like learned how to use so first the Python, we use like the code first to get the data, and then use network X to make the graph.
So what is Flickr? Flickr is basically Pinterest, but instead a lot of professional photographers use it. So they take a picture and upload it to their account so a lot of people on the internet can see it. And although it's not very popular among teens, it's very popular among photographers. In fact, it has 85 million registered users, and about 3.5 million pictures are uploaded daily.
So we focused on the group World of Eggs because our code it couldn't have too many users or photos, and this group had a right amount for us. So basically, we define the most influential user as the one with the most interactions, and so basically the person with the most faith.
So approaches, we use network X because it works with Python to create graphs, and it can also show the relationships between several objects. And by using network X, we can see which user is the most influential or the most popular by analyzing how many relationships it has. And it provides a centrality analysis. Basically, centrality analysis measures the amount of interactions between two users, which shows which one is the most popular and the strongest. And we also receive tree data by using group ID. And group ID is a term called when multiple users are in a group.
So we used the Flickr Python search API, and then basically it gave us all the users, the person who posted the photo, and then all the usernames who
It's a test. I heard that. You can keep going.
And then it also has the people who liked the photo, and then in total we had 1,240 photos.
And so when we made the graph, we had to trim the amount of users from 8,737 to 253. This is because ones we trimmed out only had one or two connections, which means that they weren't really important and they're mostly outliers. And we had to leave alone the username with special icons. So this is our graph. So it's not all the nodes are listed because most of them have special characters. And that was one of our main difficulties.
Yeah.
So there are many usernames that have special icons that Python couldn't recognize, and these include icons such as the cherries and the hearts, and other languages like the Danish, Japanese, and Arabic, or worse, both the Spanish and the hearts and the Japanese. This is because Python only uses ASCII codes, not Unicodes, and Unicodes is shortened for Universal Language. Because there's icons and other languages that are involved with that. This is why our graph was not able to use all the names of the usernames. And the data was refined and confusing at first, so we had to organize the code to make the data more complete. So in order to deal with the difficulties, we had to ignore the user's name with the special characters, and the code was changed, and the photos were differentiated. So the users who posted the photo and the people who gave the photo were differentiated.
So basically, we found that this person, through Serena's lens, was the most influential user in World of Eggs because she had the most interactions or faves in her posts.
And by using Python, we were able to find the most influential user in Flickr, and we can make the results more accurate by running code that makes the special character simpler. And this Python code can be used to find the influential user in any Flickr group that's not too large.